Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to adjust form field width in Dynamic 365 Customer Service Hub. So, as you can see in the screen over here, so I have something called as section. So, if you see this part, I have a section and I have fields defined. So, there are multiple fields. And see how these fields are structured. So, this is a one column section. So within that column, I have this height of this particular description field. So this is the case interactive experience form. First navigate to the make.power apps. Then click on solutions and select the solution in which you are working on. Now click on case from here and under the data experience click on forms from here. Now click on case for interactive experience main form. Now click on description from here. So this is the one column width form. So here, do I control the height of the description from here? So you can go to the form field height. Now see what happen. Like if I make to 10 rows or 11 rows, now I am able to achieve what I want in this interface. And then click on save and publish from here. Now go back to the case form and firstly refresh it. Now scroll down. So here you can see the description now it is wider than this another column. So in this video we covered how to adjust the form field width in Dynamics 365 customer service. Thanks for watching.